This technology incorporates the classic function of traditional whiteboards with advanced holographic projection capabilities. It is a versatile and innovative tool that can revolutionize various industries by enhancing visualization, interaction, and engagement. Its ability to provide a deep 3D experience makes it very valuable in education, healthcare, corporate training, architecture, and many other areas. And next, I will talk about the effective of holographic whiteboard. The first effective of holographic whiteboard is enhanced collaboration. Holographic whiteboard facilitate collaboration among remote teams by allowing multiple users to interact with the same digital content simultaneously, regardless of their physical location. The second effective of holographic whiteboard is integration with technology. Holographic whiteboard can integrate seamlessly with other technologies such as video conferencing system, project management tools, and cloud storage platform. This integration enhances workflow efficiency and ensures that all relevant information is easily accessible and synchronized across different platforms. And the third effective is flexibility and adaptability. Unlike traditional whiteboards limited to physical space, holographic whiteboard offer flexibility in content creation and manipulation. Users can easily switch between different types of content, such as text, diagrams, and multimedia, and adjust presentation on the fly based on audience feedback or discussion points. Then the next part is detail and improvement of holographic whiteboard. And the first is interactive and touch-enabled interface. The detail is holographic whiteboard feature touch-enabled surface that allow users to interact directly with digital content using gesture similar to touchscreen devices. And the improvement is this interface provides a more intuitive user experience compared to traditional whiteboards, enabling easier manipulation of content such as resizing, rotating, and moving objects. And the second is digital content integration. The detail is holographic whiteboards can display a wide range of digital content including documents, image, video, and web page. And the improvement is user can seamlessly integrate multimedia elements into presentation, enhancing the richness and depth of information compared to static drawing or text on traditional whiteboards. And the third is remote accessibility and cloud integration. The detail is holographic whiteboard can be accessed remotely via internet connectivity and often integrate with cloud storage and collaboration platform. The improvement is user can access and share content from anywhere, ensuring seamless continuity and accessibility of information across different devices and locations. And the last is real-time collaboration features. The detail is holographic whiteboards support real-time collaboration among multi-users, whether they are in the same room or geographically dispersed. And the improvement is user can simultaneously edit and annotate content, see change in real time, and engage in interactive discussions, fostering a more dynamic and productive collaborative environment.
Now I want to present what makes us unique. First point, more mesmerizing visualization and interaction. The project image and model in 3D dimension. The complex concept become easier to understand and interesting to show. Second point, flexibility and efficient in remote work. Easy to discuss of project remotely to make the decision more interesting, can improve work efficiency. Third point, educational and training benefit. For educate, make it easy for students to accept learning that is quite difficult. For training, increase the success of training season with content that is easy to remember. Next, I want to present how does the ingredient work. First, holographic projection technology. The function the ingredient is to create and display 2D or 3D image. Working principle, when the projector is turned on, it will emit light towards the whiteboard to display the image that wants to be present in 2D or 3D. Effectiveness, based on research, was shown encouraging results about interactive and immersive learning experience to help students and training participants understand concept better than conventional teaching methods. Next, about processing unit or CPU. The function is to execute instruction and carry out calculation required for holographic production and interaction. For working principle, the process of execution of instruction by the CPU occurs through repeated processing cycle. Each processing cycle usually consists of several steps. First step is fetch. The fetch is the CPU retrieves the next instruction from memory or change. Second, decode. The CPU decodes the instruction to understand the operation to be performed. Execute. The CPU performs the required arithmetic logical or data transfer operation. Let's store the result of the operation is stored in memory or operative storage location. Less effectiveness. The speed and reliability of hardware components in dealing with holographic production and interaction. If high-quality CPU and GPU ensure smooth operation and fast response, essential for immersive user experience.
A holographic whiteboard offers several competitive advantages, including the ability to provide 3D visualization and display content with a creating an immersive and extraordinary user experience. It can project holographic image and video of people or objects, both live and recorded, making remote interaction more lifelike and engaging. Additionally, it supports interactive learning, allowing users to write and draw as they would on a traditional whiteboard, enhancing collaboration and understanding. This combination of advanced visualization and traditional functionality makes it versatile and powerful tool for education, business, and creative fields.
Next, applicability of the immersion for holographic whiteboard. In the social dimension, holographic whiteboards hold immense potential for transforming education that related to SDG for quality education. This whiteboard can create interactive learning experience that go beyond traditional methods. Imagine students who are absent being able to pre-record their presentation, appearing virtually in class to deliver their work. Furthermore, holographic can display 3D objects, bring complex concepts to life and making them more memorable for students. Holographic whiteboard can streamline workflows by providing a collaborative platform for teams to work together more effectively, which related with SDG 8 design work and economic growth. This can lead to increased productivity and efficiency in various industries such as education, healthcare, and entertainment. In the industry dimension, holographic whiteboard can show 3D models and data visualization can be easily shared and manipulated, leading to improved innovation and problem solving. That related to SDG 9, Industrial Innovation and Infrastructure. Holographic whiteboard can be also used to improve communication and collaboration between teams, which can lead to better decision making. This is beneficial because it can help business to develop new products and service more quickly and efficiently.
Additionally, holographic whiteboards can reduce the need for physical markers and whiteboard supplies. Related to SDG 12, which is responsible consumption and production. This is beneficial for the environment because it can help to reduce waste. Next is government dimension. In a government dimension, holographic whiteboards can facilitate the clear presentation of complex data for public understanding and participation in decision-making process. Related to SDG 16, which is peace, justice, and strong institution. This is beneficial because it can help to improve public trust and confidence in government. When citizens are able to understand complex issues, they are more likely to be engaged in the decision-making process. Holographic whiteboard can also ensure remote collaboration and communication among teams, fostering global connection and knowledge sharing. Related SDG 17, which is partnerships for the goals. This is beneficial because it can help governments to work together more effectively to address global challenges. Holographic whiteboards can be used to share information and resources and to collaborate on projects.
Concept testing. Define objective. Clearly, defining objective helps is focus in the concept testing process and ensure gather relevant and actionable insight. Key aspect. Firstly, user extent. Determine if the target audience will willing to use the hologram, whiteboard, or how it fits into the certain workflow. Second, usability. Assess how easy and intuitive the product is to use. Third, perceived value. Understand the user perception of the product value and benefit. Last but not least, potential improvement. Identify area where the product can be improved based on the user feedback. Next, select target audience. Purpose, choosing the right audience. Ensure that the feedback is relevant and applicable to the intent market. Key aspect. Firstly, diversity. Include a mix of users from different backgrounds and industry that might be used the hologram whiteboard. Secondly, relevant. Ensure the select audience represent the key of group such as educator, corporate trainer, make professional and each. Last but not least, simple size. Aim the aim for a sample size that is large enough to provide statistically significant result but manageable with the scope of your testing.
Next concept is prepare testing material. Creating comprehensive testing material ensure that the testing season are structured and that you get a consistent and relevant feedback. To achieve this, design detailed feedback from a questionnaire that cover all aspects of the product, from usability to perceived value. Quantitative questions such as multiple choice question like a scale rating and yes or no question provide measurable data on user experience and opinion. Qualitative questions allow user provide more detailed feedback such as what feature did you find most useful and what improvement would you suggest. This dual approach ensure a balanced collection of data capturing both statistical trend and nuanced user insight. Next, conduct pre-test. Pre-testing helps to identify and resolve major issues before the main testing season, ensuring smoother and more productive season. Begin with internal testing, engaging a small group of team members who understand the product but still can provide instructive feedback. This initial phase helps uncover any immediate flaw or usability issue. Following this, conduct small group testing with a few selected users from the target audience to identify any glaring issue that might not be evident to internal tester. Use the feedback from this season to refine the prototype and make necessary adjustments to the testing material, ensuring the main testing phase is as effective as possible. Last step in concept testing is organized testing season. Well-organized testing season ensure that the testing process is efficient and that you get a high-quality, relevant feedback. Plan and schedule season at time convenient for participants, allowing sufficient time for thorough testing and discussion. Decide whether season will be conducted in person, which allow for detailed observation, or remotely, which can reach a broader audience. During the season, a facilitator should guide the process, introducing the product and observing how users interact with the holographic whiteboard. The facilitator should take notes and ask probing questions to get a deeper insight. Feedback should be collected systematically through a direct observation, recorded season, or post-season survey and questionnaire, ensuring comprehensive and actionable data is gathered.